Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix you do not have access rights to Logical Disk Manager error in Windows. Open Control Panel. Change your account type. Change to Administrator. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.